What's up, everyone? Ready to learn how to build wealth with AI? Today, I'm breaking down an ebook I found on Amazon, The DeepSeek Millionaire. This book is packed with strategies on how to use AI, specifically DeepSeek V3, to create multiple income streams, automate your business, and stay ahead in this fast-changing world. Let's jump right in. AI is changing the game. It's not just about tech companies anymore. DeepSeek helps people like you and me find business opportunities, predict trends, and grow income. It spots hidden patterns in data, giving you insights that would take months to figure out on your own. Think of it like having a super smart assistant who never sleeps, constantly working to help you succeed. DeepSeek V3 isn't complicated. It's designed for everyday people, not just data scientists. It helps you identify profitable markets, saves time with automation, and improves business decisions with smart predictions. Plus, you don't need any technical skills to use it. Its features include predictive analytics, niche discovery, personalized marketing insights, and automation tools. Imagine having all of that power at your fingertips. Want to make money with AI? Here's the playbook. Identify your niche. Use DeepSeek V3 to discover what people are searching for right now. Research your audience. Understand their needs, behaviors, and what motivates them to buy. Design your offering. Create products or services that solve real problems. Market smartly. Use AI to run targeted ads, write engaging content, and reach the right audience at the right time. DeepSeek V3 helps with every step. It's like having a business coach, marketing team, and data analyst all rolled into one. Time is your most valuable asset. DeepSeek automates repetitive tasks like sending emails, running ads, tracking sales, and managing customer interactions. This means you can focus on growing your business while AI handles the routine work. Imagine waking up to new leads, sales, and data insights without lifting a finger. That's the power of automation. Let me tell you about Lisa. She's a freelance graphic designer who was struggling to find clients. With DeepSeek V3, she identified a growing demand for AI-generated design templates. She launched a new service, tripled her income, and gained clients worldwide. Then there's Mark, an e-commerce store owner. DeepSeek V3 helped him predict which products would sell best. He avoided overstocking items that didn't perform and focused on bestsellers. His profit margins jumped by 25% in just 6 months. These aren't rare cases. They're examples of what's possible when you leverage AI to work smarter, not harder. DeepSeek V3 doesn't just help you start, it helps you grow. It spots market trends before they go mainstream, helps you expand into new markets, optimizes pricing strategies, and even predicts what your customers will want next. It's like having a crystal ball for your business. Making money isn't just about cash, it's about mindset. The DeepSeek Millionaire emphasizes the importance of continuous learning, diversifying income streams, and adapting to change. The key is to think long-term, stay curious, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Success comes from combining smart tools with the right mindset. If you're serious about building wealth with AI, check out the DeepSeek Millionaire on Amazon. It's packed with real strategies, step-by-step guides, and success stories to inspire you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. And hey, share this video with a friend who's ready to level up their game. Your future starts now.